Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree cooking video is this delicious Mexican cuisine. So here are the ingredients you're going to need. You will need some onions and peppers chopped up. Also, you're going to need some of the Genio turkey burgers, 1/3 pound patties. I have 3 of them here. And of course, everything is from the Dollar Tree. Also, I have these Frigo cheese sticks. They come in a 3-pack. I have the pepper jack and mild cheddar. Also, this Badia complete seasoning, a can of the Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies, some of these Goya chicken cubes. Also, I have this McCormick taco sauce here, and I have a bag of the rice. And you're also going to need some tortillas from the Dollar Tree, the 12 count. So you're going to go ahead and just brown up your ground turkey meat here. You're going to go ahead and add some of the Badia complete seasoning. If you don't have the seasoning, you can just season it with, whatever seasoning you like, salt and pepper or whatever. And then I'm just going to mix the seasoning in and let that brown up with the onions and peppers. So for the rice, I have the can of Rotel open. I have 2 cups of rice. I also have some cumin seasoning, some oregano, and some garlic powder. And also I just have some frozen peppers that we'll add in the rice as well. And you're going to need 2 packets of the powdered chicken bouillon there. So what you're going to do is add about a tablespoon of oil in a pan and let it heat up. And then you're going to add your rice and just toast it up. You'll see it looking like this. And that's going to give it a nice nutty flavor. So for the water, I have 3.5 cups of water here. I'm gonna mix in the Rotel tomatoes and chilies, the seasonings, also the 2 packets of the chicken powder flavor, and the peppers, and then just mix that into the water. And then now that your rice is nice and toasted, you just add your water right into that. And just go ahead and mix that well. And this rice is so delicious, guys. You have to try this out. It's delicious Mexican rice. So for the meat, we're gonna go ahead now and add the taco seasoning or sauce and just mix that in there. Once it's done, you're gonna take your tortillas and add a nice full spoonful in there, and the stick of the cheese. Actually ended up having to cut it in half and then just wrap that tortilla up with the meat and cheese inside. Then I did leave a little bit of the sauce in the package, and I saved that just to pour on top of these wrapped tortillas. And this is what the sauce will look like once it's done cooking. And here's the delicious rice. So I went ahead and baked that at about 325 to 350 for about 20 minutes, 10 minutes wrapped with aluminum foil, and the last 10 minutes unwrapped, so it gets a little toasty and the sauce kind of dries up a little. And now you have this delicious kind of burrito taco and delicious authentic Mexican rice. And look inside that burrito, it's just that gooey cheese in there. And you guys, this was so delicious. You have to try this. It serves 6, and you definitely have enough rice left over to save for lunch or something the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree cooking video. If you did, please give me that thumbs up and share the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this recipe and how you're liking these Dollar Tree cooking videos. And I'll catch you guys really soon in the next video.